I'm looking forward to this building's completing.
It's going to be the kitchen.
Okay.
We've got young Ahmed here on the site.
Go a bit close. And I show you. These are the windows.
Yeah.
It's very big and spacious. I really like that. The entrance is quite
Yeah.
wide, isn't it?
Yes.
Wow.
Hey.
Yeah, the classroom are pretty decent. Okay, this side is all going to be same.
Yeah. Again.
Wow. My favorite classroom is, you can see the view as well, Leeds. I love this steel, after showcase is really big. A massive one.
It's heavy duty steel.
Yeah. Must have been a mission to install. What do you think? This is nice how they got the shape. We're building a masjid in Pakistan in my village.
MashaAllah.
And now you sent me a few places a while ago. They've already put the company in and stuff. And over there we're gonna have, we're not gonna have this many actually, we're just gonna put the front.
Yeah, that's fine.
This is one side that you can openly walk around. That's
Yeah.
why you like a circle you can fully walk around.
Yeah.
And I like how it's going with the shape. It curves open as you go along. That's good. And then that's for the lift. And then
Look.
because the reason I say that is when I was in secondary school, these breeze blocks are more fragile. You make sculptures out of it and carve it and the so
Yes.
What's this space for?
This is going to be the big hall. This is going to not
big hall as well?
Yeah.
Oh, right.
You got the third one.
Alright, well. We can see the minaret on that side. It's amazing.
You are loving it.